Welcome, guys. Thank you for joining us on this, our very first video on my new channel, Silence is Hobbies. Actually, Silence is Gold Hobbies. I am Golden from Silence is Gold, and this is my first video on this channel. This is going to be a channel for all my hobbies. Not all of them, because I have other channels for a few of them. And this channel is going to be, at the moment, about keyboards. This video is about keyboards. This keyboard I'm using right now is really, really nice. I really like it. It is a full-size keyboard, but it's compact. I have that big space in the middle here, so it's smaller. Got a nice weight to it. I really like it. It has grippies on the back, so it doesn't slide around. It's I can never pronounce. I can barely know my own name. So it's AULA. Okay? It's F99. I like it. I have one at work. And sorry about that, guys. I am just learning how to use this camera. It went fuzzy there for a second, and I just got the camera. I waited to unbox the thing we'll show you in a second. Just had to wait because I had to buy the camera, and I don't know how to use it very well, so I apologize. It's not the best camera. So, all of that aside, I like this keyboard. I have a lot of keyboards, guys. I got a ton of keyboards. I got 60s, I got 40s, I got a ton of 75s, I got ones with little screens, I got ones without little screens, I got ones that do sound effects. Awesome. And I will show you some of those things. But at the moment, we're going to do an unboxing of a keycap set I just got. And I waited 2 weeks to get this so you can see it with me. Okay? Now, I'm not going to lie to you. I did unbox this already. And the reason you're getting to see this is that I keep having technical difficulties with my new camera. And so this is it, guys. Now we're just unboxing this today. You didn't get to see me slice open the shrink wrap and peel it off all sweet and nice and get all excited about it. This is my 5th recording, so I'm pretty hard to get excited about it, but I really do. I'm really excited about it. It's Skywalker. Star Wars. This is Team Liquid. It's nice. It's for 60, 65, and 75 keyboard layouts. It's PBT keycap and side printed legends. Now, I am not a fan of side printed legends. And the reason that is that because I use all different side keyboards, like 60s and 65s, 75s, the 40, oh god, the 40 is a learning experience in and of itself. Not only do I use different kind of keyboards, I do different kind of layouts. So me not being able to see what I'm hitting, what typing is really difficult for me. But Star Wars, so we're going to live with the fact that I don't like the side printed legends. Okay, I'm trying to open it. It doesn't want to open. I guess it's tired because you know what? It's been unboxed a few times already. Come on. There we go. Okay, now I have to show you something on this because this is so cool. One, here's the inside of it. I don't know. It's upside down. Look at it. I love it. I am very passionate about Star Wars and keyboards, apparently. And so I gotta show you something else. I love this. Every time I open this box, I love it. It says, I am a Jedi, like my father before me. I love it. Okay, stop. Stop being excited, guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. There is different layouts. So we have underneath here, we have the different arrow keys, the delete, the end, page up, page down, home, insert, all that stuff. Different enter and shift buttons. I guess that's their logo. Function buttons, control buttons, whatever these are. I guess they're just spacer keys. So there you have that, but look at it. Now, they are slightly textured. Some more so than others. I guess it's the printing that's on them. I feel like this is going to wear off super quick. Okay. And come on. This is the review part of this. It's not a total review because it actually isn't on the keyboard yet. I was kind of hoping that the side legends would be clear, so the RGB would shine through, or the light would shine through, so you can see it easier. Because of the printing on it, it's very, and for the design that's on it, the printing is very small and it's very difficult. They are very thin, and truthfully, they feel a little cheesy. However, Star Wars, and I love them. I love them because Star Wars. Okay, so that right at this moment, I am not happy about that. They were on sale, and I spent like $60 on them. Impulse buy, didn't even check, didn't shop around, didn't do anything, just bought them. So on me, you know, okay, fine. Did no research whatsoever, just bought them on impulse because Star Wars. Okay, we're not going to say that anymore. But here, let's see if I think that like this. No, doesn't want to do it that way either. There we go. Here. It says super for some reason. Look at that. Can you see that? No, it's very difficult to see. This is control. I don't know if you focus. It does not want to focus, but it says control, and it's very difficult to see because, well, it just is. However, I love it, and I'm very excited to put it together, and we will be putting it together on this keyboard. Is it going to make a noise? Oh, it make a noise. We're going to be putting it together on this keyboard. This is an Epimaker TH80. It's my first one I bought. And matter of fact, I like this layout. I like this little thing. It costs like $70. When I bought them, I bought 3 of them. This one is the test one. It's heavy, so it doesn't slide around. It has nice grips on it. It has the little leggies on it, which is nice if you like yours up real high. Has a little place for the dongle, which is nice, let me tell you, because here on this one, which is my favorite keyboard, this is one of my favorite keyboards. I would say it's my favorite. I love this keyboard, right? This is Royal Clutch, whatever. R65. This one, I have 2 of these. One's totally different. It's the same model, like it's R65, but this one, I know it's weird looking because it's brown and beige, very retro looking, but I don't know if you can hear that. I fell in love with this thing as soon as I opened the box. But it does not have a space for the dongle. And I lost the dongle. So I can never use this until I find it. And am I happy? No, because it's my favorite keyboard. I use this thing all the time. I love it. And I can't use it because it had no space for the dongle. And they just left it float around there. Now, okay, I love it. I will, if I can't find that dongle, I will go and buy another one because I love this keyboard. I will save up. None of my keyboards, my pre-builts, except for 3, are more than $70. I won't spend on a pre-built. I won't spend a lot of money. Because I go through them. I change my mind every day. I have a different keyboard. I will not spend a lot of money because people go around and say, oh, this is my favorite budget keyboard. It's $150. That's not budget. In my world, that is not budget. I cannot afford $150. That's groceries. I prefer to eat. So, but back to what we were talking about, instead of having a rant, this is what we're going to be using. Now, this one was my first one, and this is my test keyboard. I test mods on it. I test keycaps. I do everything on this thing. It's been abused. The switches in it are getting a little beat. They are not good switches, but this was my first one. And I knew when I started doing this, I needed one that I could abuse, and this is it. Unfortunately, I don't have another one, and I spent all my money on the camera, so I can't afford to go out and get another bare bones. But if you need and you want to get into building keyboards, I highly recommend. And mind you, I know nothing about this, so maybe you might not want to pay attention to me on this one, but I highly recommend the Epamaker TH80. Definitely not sponsored because they don't even know I exist. So I spent all my own money on all of this. So, but it's going to be so cute. So in the next video, the next video of this, I am going to be putting these keycaps, Star Wars, onto this. And I need to get some switches. I think I have some extra ones, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to use them on all of this. I don't think I have enough to cover all of it. So we're going to put it on here. After the video, I'm going to take this all apart, take all the mods out, make sure all the switches that are in here, maybe I could read them. They're not the best switches. They're a little clacky. But yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll get this done. Now, on this channel, there may be some videos that I made previous that are on my cell phone. I did unboxings of the RK there and of the TH40, which is another Epamaker. And there's a couple of other ones that I have on there. I will be putting those up as well on this channel. But Star Wars, I'm super excited. So, guys, I want to thank you for joining me in my first stream on this channel. And I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever it is where you're at. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Remember to hit like and subscribe on my other channel, Silence is Gold. And I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.